Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss a case study on developing a student information system dashboard. So usually in the student information system, the student can able to check their marks and they can able to check their attendance and even their syllabus, timetable, etc. So when we use a normal HTML and CSS and a normal JavaScript for developing that student dashboard system, so the code is reusable and it is not that much efficient and the throughput is very slow. So we have to redesign that student information system dashboard by using React.js. So we know that React.js is the component based architecture where we can able to use the JavaScript library for developing the user interface. So which means the code can be reusable and the throughput will be increased. So let us have a design thinking based discussion on developing a student information system website by using the React.js.
So in our empathize stage, we need to analyze those who are our primary users. Our primary users are teachers, students and administrative officers, and we have analyzed those, what are the problems and consequences they faced while using our dashboard of our website. From the student side, they all discussed about while they checking their attendance and result, the pages are reloading very lately, and from the teacher side they were discussed about while they giving the attendance marks and attendance percentage and the result marks, that was very slow while they upload to the website. So we mainly focus we need to mainly focus on the both the sides. We need to enhance our loading page without any backlogs. So we need to improve our project based on this.
So this is our empathy. So from the user point of view or from the teacher's point of view, the website is very slow for their attendance entry or for checking their attendance. So since the components are getting reloaded again and again, so we have to define this clearly.
After gathering insights, we move to the define stage. Here we rectify the problems of the student's dashboard and other issues where faculty might find difficult to load the page and reuse the another users. And here are three major issues that we face: that page load users and another. At this point, we need to rectify lack of code reusability, and student need a fast and clear display, and it needs to improve state management and clear visibility throughout the page, and thus it improves the management of code reusability. Thus we define our state solution.
We can provide solutions for this definition of this problem.
So we decided to question ourselves mainly three questions: what components are necessary in this application, and how to make this interface user friendly. So we decided to split the entire design into smaller components. It consists of app components and header components, and dashboard mainly containing attendance and marks, and also remarks for any comments. We also decided to use key React components such as props, useStates and reusable components. And our main objective for this is to break the complex structure into small, simpler components.
How can we develop the prototype for this?
In prototype stage, we implemented our project using React.js. We used useState, map and props for passing data, and map for rendering multiple values. Our components are used for created components like attendance, notification and cards, and gradually increase the performance through virtual DOM and efficient rendering. The UI become more modern, responsive and interactive.
So DOM and the rendering concept of the React.js to make functioning of the website in an efficient manner. So now let us move for the testing phase.
In testing, we demonstrated prototype to the 10 students and 3 faculties, and we collected feedback from them. As they said, 80% dashboard is more faster, and 90% found that easy to navigate. Based on the result, and we also tested our prototype with more component reusabilities and responsiveness and error handling. Based on that, we improved our minor
errors.
Defects and errors which is found on that website. So by using our design thinking approach and by using some technical knowledge on the React.js, so we can able to develop a full-fledged user-friendly and user-interactive student information system. So when we use React.js, finally it can be concluded that React helps for the faster working of the student information system website. So since the React.js is the component-based architecture where there is no need for the concept of page reloading. So for example, React concepts such as rendering, DOM, virtual DOM helps to directly renders the JavaScript to the portion on which the user clicks on the button without reloading that website. So thank you all for your discussion of developing this student information system using React.js. Thank you all.